Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. My name is Amruta and today we will going to learn about how to read the entire Excel sheet. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, to read the complete data from Excel, you can iterate over each cell of the row present in the sheet. For iterating, you need the total number of rows and cells present in the sheet. Additionally, we can obtain the number of rows from the sheet, which is basically the total number of rows have a data present in the sheet. Okay, so I will be copy this previous example and paste here and rename this. Okay, read data from Excel to entire Excel, I can say. Okay, so I am writing entire Excel. Okay, so let's begin for coding. Okay, so to get last and first row number, there are the two methods available in a sheet class. Okay, so what can I say here? Okay, I'm keeping the same path I will be going to define. Then I need to create an object of file and the object of file input stream path and pass the argument of file, and then I will going to create the object of HSSF workbook and passing fs the file input stream object inside the HSSF workbook. Then I will be going to create the HSSF sheet object and I can say in which sheet I would like to go for. Okay, so here the same example I am taking, but in this time I would be like to take the second sheet. Okay, so I am going to copy the same data inside my test2, or you can say you can change this data, like I can say data test. Okay, that's it, right? That's it. Save the Excel sheet. Okay, and close it. Okay, so what would be my next step? Okay, so my next step is, okay, I can say from the sheet, okay, from the sheet I would like to find how many rows available inside my sheet. So I can say get last row number. Okay, get last row number, which will get all the rows in the sheet, which will get what it will get, all the rows in the sheet. Okay, roll over the mouse on get last row number. It is saying integer. Okay, please save this integer row, or you can say the total row. Okay, total rows. Alright, then I need to iterate over all the row to print the data present in each cell. Okay, data present in each cell, right? So how can I do it? I can use the for loop. Okay, begin with I equal to 0. Okay, I can say the total number of rows. Okay, I need to go with the total number of rows. Okay, and then I plus plus, right? Loop begin and end, and within this, okay, I need to get the cell count in a row. Cell count in a row. Okay, so how can I do it? Okay, so I can say I need to get a single row. So get row method is available. Okay, dot get last cell number. Okay, which will gives me integer total columns, right? Again I am going to use the for loop, okay, to iterate over each cell to print its value. Iterate So I can say j equal to 0. J is, this one is my total column, and I can say j plus plus, and here I will be going to use, okay, inside this I would like to print the cell value. So how could I do it? I can say sheet, okay, dot get of row, okay, I dot get of cell I, not I, it could be a j, okay. So I need to write here integer, okay. I forgot to write, okay, not a problem, okay. Get string cell value, okay, that's it. And here I'm saying I need to print in a new line character, okay. So let me format this quickly, okay, and run the code with Java application. So can you see here? Okay, let me change the sheet, okay, because the last time I have made some changes over here, right? So let me go to the sheet, and this time I would like to get the row in a test2. So I can say test2, okay, and run the code one more time. Can you see over here? Okay, username, password, admin, and data test. One second, I need to write over here equal to sign, so it will fetch all the value. Just a second. Let me run this code, okay. So data test, okay, right, this value, why it is not being retrieved, I need to check it out, okay. So we will going to check why the last column is not coming, okay. One second. Data test, okay. Okay, no problem. I will do some sort of implementation over here. So just a second, just be with me, okay. So I can say here this is returning my single row, okay, row equal to, okay, and then I can say, just a second, okay, get a single row first, then I can say get last cell number, okay, with my, if you roll over the mouse, it is saying please save into the short, okay, but I am taking the integer container, okay. Let me save this first, okay. Use the for loop, okay, integer j equal to 0, j is less than total number of columns, and j plus plus, okay, and then I will be writing here row dot get cell j, okay, which will be returning my HSSF sale, right? And here I am saying sale dot get string sale value, okay, string data, okay, and then I would like to print this data, right, here, okay. That's it. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, so it is showing username, password. One second. Tap. Okay, so can you see here the data is populating, okay, right? I say I equal to this is less than equal to total rows, okay. So this is something like a formatting. Now the issue is with the formatting, okay. So here I need to do formatting, that's it, okay. So can you see the data is properly coming here, okay. Username, password, admin, data test, and testing what. So it is retrieving all the data, okay, from my read data XLS file, okay. You can check it, okay, how many fields are there, admin, data, and testing. So admin, data, testing is populating, and username and password is coming. Yeah, so hope you guys understood this, okay. You can see that data present in the Excel and print. Also notice that, okay, you need to write over here whenever you are iterating this row, you need to write here less than equal to number of rows, right? So hope you guys understood this. In the next lecture, we will be see how to write data in the Excel in a Selenium using Apache POI. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy coding.